बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा वसलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू कुतिबा अलैकुमुस्सियाम कमा कुतिबा अलल्लज़ीना मिन क़ब्लिकुम लअल्लकुम तत्तक़ून क़ाला रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अस्सौम जन्नतुन सदक़ल्लाहु मौलाना अल-अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहु नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक वसल्लम वसल्लि अलैहि रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी। My most respected brothers and elders in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The whole Muslim Ummah, especially to you, MashaAllah, Ramadan Kareem Mubarak. Alhamdulillah. Let's make dua. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, first of all, make our iman stronger, evergreen, ever living until day of last breath. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to enjoy our Ramadan. Check your heart. Are you happy? Good question. Shaitan, everybody has shaitan. We have been assigned a shaitan with us also, and one angel. Shaitan may not feel comfortable. We should check our soul, ourselves. Am I happy? Please check yourself. If something wrong or so, no. Do istighfar. Beg Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Allah, put in my heart the love of Ramadan so that I can enjoy your Jannah. It's a month of Quran Majid, subhanallah. And month of Maghfirah, Shahrul Maghfirah. Shahrul Rahmah is mercy, full of mercy. So we are very fortunate that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed us life. We are enjoying Ramadan. Inshallah, Jazakallah khair. Listen, before sitting on the driver's seat, you have to learn how to drive. And also you to know what are the rules and regulations. Before making salat, we should learn the masail of the salat. Before doing the hajj, here we make common mistake. We don't learn how to make hajj. Then we make mistake there. Before hajj, please, hajj season coming, learn, attend the classes. Hazrat is here. Attend the class how to attend hajj, how to take a hajj. The same way, Ramadan is here. Before Ramadan, we should know the masail of the Ramadan so that we can enjoy maximum fruits of Ramadan. And with the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should get the certificate of Jannah, inshallah. So today, by khutbah, I will tell you some masail, rules and regulations of Ramadan. Fazail, you have heard a lot. You will learn more also. So listen. If the person is 6 months sick, then and Ramadan come, continue sick for 6 months, and Ramadan come, he don't have to pay qaza of the Ramadan. He don't have to do Ramadan fasting. Allah forgave him. Otherwise, if 1 month, 2 months sickness, you have to do Ramadan. We should never make fasting on Yom Shak. Who's your imam? Which is your masjid? Wait for his announcement. That's it. No argument, especially Eid night, argument in the family, argument in the masjid. And like Ramadan also, we don't have to argue. Just keep silent, keep in dua, and when your masjid announce, follow blindly. Inshallah. When whole year we follow them, why these 2 days? Be careful. Aima Arba, Imam Shafi Rahimullah, Imam Abu Hanifa Rahimullah, Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal Rahimullah, Imam Malik, all these had 20 Tarawih. Umar Farooq Radiyallahu Ta'ala anhu, 20 Tarawih. Usman Ghani, 20 Tarawih. Ali Karam al-Wajh, 20 Tarawih. So try to make 20 Tarawih. If anybody has any other masala, good for you, brother. No problem. Don't mix up tahajjud, 8 rakat of tahajjud of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam with the Tarawih. Try to make maximum ibadah. Inshallah. As Tarawih is a sunnat muakkada kafaya. By injection, if you are sick, doctor gives you injection. Rosa fasting does not break. Injection does not break the fasting. If you had some blood came from the gums, a little, not a big deal, but if you taste it and swallow it, then rosa fasting break. If you have by chance something in the mouth, small piece like this, as you swallow it, rosa fasting break. By mistake, in the beginning it may happen, in the first 10 days, by mistake, you drank water, by mistake. Sometimes make wuzu, after wuzu we drink water, yes or no? Yeah. Sometimes. If by mistake you drank water or eat the food, rosa does not break. You understand? Does not break. When azan is called, the suhoor azan, which stop eating, soon azan, the time of stopping, suhoor, don't continue eating. No. You will not have fasting. Precaution, you have timetable, 5 minutes before, stop eating as a precaution measure. Now in the night time, you slept. After Isha you slept, but could not wake up for suhoor. Don't worry, keep like that, you can have fasting. You understand? Continue the fasting. This is afzal, better to have niyyah of the fasting. Tomorrow, inshallah, I do fasting. Yeah, before suhoor, ya Allah, I am fasting today. It's better. Imam Shafi Rahimullah says, this is a must. Imam Abu Hanifa says, it's okay. It's Ramadan, understood. So all imam are haqq. Beautiful. Any imam you follow, we are successful. Understand? No argument at all. We should love each and every imam. If you have to fasting of a qazar fasting or nazar fasting, you have to niyyah before subah sadak in the night time. Preferably night time you do that. While fasting, person fainted. I faint because of fasting. Old man, I could not take, I faint. Then there is a no qaza for that fasting. Night time, Ramadan, We love the wife. We can love the wife. Subhanallah. This is mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And what happened? You slept. And time came, you could not do wajib ghusl. So, the keeping the fast of wajib ghusl is not prerequisite. No. You can continue fasting. Eat. You don't time for eating, don't have ghusl, don't do ghusl. Just eat something. And if ghusl is wajib, but you could not do it, continue fasting is okay. You understand? Then before Fajr Salat, you do it. Ghusl. Let me tell you, Tarawih is under the supervision, under the umbrella of Isha Salat. What I mean by that? If you come to the masjid, Tarawih going on, please make your 4 farz and 3 witr. Understand? Don't try to join the Tarawih. Make 4 farz and 3 witr. This is very important. They are wajib to do it. Then join Tarawih. To recite, to listen Quran, whole Quran in the Ramadan. This is sunnat-e muakkada, not wajib, sunnat-e muakkada. Subhanallah, you know that on each letter you hear, you get 10 hasanat. Alf Lam Mim, 30. When you listen to the whole Quran, how many million, trillion hasanat we getting? Subhanallah. Allahu Akbar. If somebody knowingly break the fast, if somebody knowingly break the fast, then what punishment? Fine. 2 months continuous fasting. 2 months continuous fasting. If the person is very old like me, cannot do it. Then 60 poor people, food for morning and evening, I may calculate $20 nowadays. Morning, evening food, $20. Multiply by 30. How much? $600 you have to pay as a fidya, as a sadaqah, as a fidya to the poor person. You are traveling in the air, but you are fasting. So, in the air, if sun go down, then you break the fast. Don't count the time you had scheduled. Time schedule of the land will not be counted. Wherever you are, you fly from here to Houston. On the way, you see sun is not down yet. So don't break fast. Even your home place, sun came down. At what height we are, same height we have to check the sunset time. Clear? Let me tell you, beautiful days. Some holy people say every night is a Shab Qadr for them. But especially 21, 23rd, last Ashra, please. You may differ 21, 23. Last Ashra, 2 things. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, every year he used to do itikaf. Beautiful. For spiritual ghusl, spiritual height. MashaAllah. Best vacation. 10 days take off. Do itikaf in the masjid. Cut off yourself. Entire world, business, family, this and that, 1-to-1. Be with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. 1-to-1. Subhanallah. Make ilijat. Best vacation. And best vacation, if you have money, go Medina Munawwara, 10-day itikaf. Go Medina Munawwara. Subhanallah. Prophet ﷺ never ever missed 10 days itikaf except when there was Badr. And next year, he did 20 days to make up. Consult with the family, please, and make planning. And sister can do also at home. One thing I tell you here, please. Lower the burden of your food or your chaat, your pakora from the wife. Please, from Asr to Maghrib, you keep your wife, your sweetheart in the kitchen. She, poor girl, has also fasted. Please, buy from the market. Let them enjoy also. Sweetheart, not servant. Wife is not servant. Make sure. Khatm Quran. When the last day of Ramadan, there's Khatm Quran, dua. This is not a bid'ah. Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he finished Surah Al-Baqarah, he slaughtered one camel. This is dalil. Everything are bid'ah. This is bid'ah, that is bid'ah. Then where is Islam then? Please, take it easy. Understand? Take it easy. Nafal salat. Nafal jamaat of nafal salat is not recommended. There is no nafal jamaat salat of salatul tasbih. Some women do it specially. No jamaat for the nafal. If the boy or girl, your son or daughter is not adult, but she fasting, and they break the fasting, no qaza, no kafara, nothing. We can give hadiyah. My dad passed away. He could not fasting some year. I can calculate the money of fidyah of our dad. I can pay in the donation, in the sadaqah, in the fidyah to the masjid. Or find some poor people yourself, especially relative. There is no qaza for salatul tarawih. If you lose salatul tarawih, for example, yesterday night you could not do it. There is no qaza. Qaza is of farz salat or witr salat. After salam, in tarawih, other farz salat, some aima make dua. They themselves, this is not a bid'ah. If imam making salat himself, you also make. After farz salat, make dua. Ya Allah, accept my salat. Understand? وَقَالَ رَبُّكُمْ ادْعُونِي أَسْتَجِبْ لَكُمْ إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يَسْتَكْبِرُونَ عَنْ عِبَادَتِي سَيَدْخُلُونَ جَهَنَّمَ دَاخِرِينَ. Beg from me. We should remain very good beggar in the Ramadan. Everything. Don't feel shy. Allah's treasures are open in Ramadan. Time of iftar. Time enter in iftar, do right away. Don't delay iftar. This is a masala. Don't delay iftar. Oh, as a precautionary measure, let me wait for 5 minutes more. No. Don't do it. If horizon is clear, this is a masala. Horizon is clear. So to find when Ramadan start, when Eid al-Fitr start, you need a lot of witnesses. You need a lot of witnesses. But if there's a cloudy, you need one man or two women equal to one man. Shahadat. They sadamu. But again, we should not become mufti one day before Ramadan and one day before Eid. Please. We should not become mufti. No discussion at home. Whole year, who is your mufti? You follow him blindly. The same way you follow that day. Be patient. If he make mistake, they are responsible, not me or you. We should relax. We should not argue. Shaitan is fast, very smart. He make us argument. An argument burn our good deeds. Okay, so these are few masail. You can also discuss these with your wife also. Inshallah, I will put on my YouTube, Sheikh Faqir Muhammad Khokhar, Faqir Khokhar, or Sheikh Faqir Muhammad Khokhar, and Molana Faqir Muhammad Khokhar. It is on the YouTube. You can listen also. Tell your wife to listen to the masail also. And all other clip you can see. Wa akhir damana. And alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Now, last thing to say. If anybody follow any other fiqh and he did not agree what I said, please follow your own fiqh. Good for you, don't argue. Every imam is haqq. If you differ in any masala, please follow your masala. You understand my point? Don't come to Molana. Why? Who's this guy came over here from New Jersey? Oh, telling, no, good for you, no problem, no argument. Inshallah. And make dua, please. Make lot of dua in your salat, in your fasting, sahur time, iftar time, for whole ummah, for your family, for your deceased family, for yourself. If we make dua for others, angel will make dua for you. Inshallah. Ameen. 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 Wa akhir dawana. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.